Hey, good afternoon. Let's talk about our segment addition postulate. We start off with problems like 1 and 2, where I give you the two pieces and I want you to find the whole segment length. So our segment addition postulate says AB, here's AB, the first part, plus BC, the second part of my segment. If I combine those, I would get AC. So if I put the two little pieces together, AB and BC, I get AC. And then we can substitute in our known values. 7 is AB, BC is 14, and that would equal my whole segment of 21. So anytime you have those two numbers there, just two constants, add them together to get your value for the entire segment. Let's try number 2. So why don't you pause the video, try it out, see what you get. So I have WS plus ST equals WT, or part plus the other part equals the whole segment. So I take 36, I add that to 9, and I get 45. So WT is 45. We can also do the same thing, but in reverse. So I could give you the whole segment and ask you for the two pieces. Or sorry, one piece. I'll give you the whole segment, ask you what are the missing parts. So same idea, HC, the first part, plus CS equals HS. I don't know what HC is. I'll put an X there. I know CS is 18, and that equals 31. And then if I solve for HC, HC is going to equal 13. And number 4, why don't you pause the video, see if you can get that one. So something plus 24 equals 49. And that would be 25. Okay, now we get into slightly more difficult territory here, where I can give you two separate types of problems. I could give you two variable terms and a constant, or I could give you two constants and a variable term. But let's take our same approach, the segment addition postulate, part plus part equals whole. So HC plus CS, if I add those two up, I get HS. So then I have 4y plus 26 equals 17y. And the most important thing you can identify here is what are my like terms. My like terms here are 4y and 17y, because those are the like terms that I need to get together on the same side. So I'm going to move my 4y over to get that with the 17y. So I'll subtract that from both sides, and I have 26 equals 13y. And then if I divide both sides by 13, I get y equals 2. Why don't you try number 7, pause the video, try it on your own, and let me know what you get. Be very careful about your fractions here, or your dividing. So 9 plus 13y equals 31y, or 9 equals 18y, and this is where most mistakes happen. A lot of students want to divide by 9, but what you really need to do is divide by 18. to get the y by itself. 18 divided by 18, those reduce to 1. So I have 1y, or just y, equals 9 over 18, or 1/2. Let's do the same thing for 8 and 9. We'll solve 8 together, then you can pause the video, try 9, unpause, and check your work. HC plus CS equals HS. So 2x plus 18 equals 56. And my like terms, what are they? 18 and 56. Those are the ones that I need to get together. So I'll subtract that 18 off to get it over on the other side. And then I'm left with 2x equals 38. So then I can divide by 2, and x equals 19. Why don't you pause the video, try number 9, and then unpause it and check your work. We have 9 plus 12x equals 105. I like terms 9 and 105, so I want to move that 9 over. That goes away, and I have 12x equals 96. And then if I divide by 12, if my iPad doesn't lose my spot, then I would have x equals 8. So let me know what questions you have. Send me an email, join office hours, and I will see you guys tomorrow.